Hello, everyone. I hope you're having a great day. But now, please listen very carefully. This might be the most important video you watch all year. I'm not saying that to sound dramatic. I'm saying it because something terrible is happening to you right now, and you don't even notice it. You are losing your brain. Not because of a disease, not suddenly. Slowly, quietly, day by day, your brain is getting older, weaker, and slower. And you're doing nothing to stop it. You scroll on your phone for hours. You repeat the same boring routine every day. You avoid anything that feels hard or uncomfortable. Then you wonder, why am I forgetting things? Why don't I feel sharp anymore? Why does life feel heavy and dull? Because your brain is slowly dying. And if you don't take control right now, if you don't protect it and train it like a muscle, you will turn into a zombie, awake but not really alive. This video is not for people who just want fun little tips. This video is for people who are ready to fight for their mind. For people who want to stay sharp, powerful, creative, and full of energy, even at 50, 60, or 70 years old. Today, I'm going to give you the 16 most powerful habits to keep your brain young forever. These are not the boring tips you see everywhere. These are real, raw, and proven by people who refuse to let their brain die. If you follow these habits, you won't just have a younger brain. You will think faster, speak better, feel happier, wake up full of energy, sleep deeply, and finally stop feeling like life is passing you by. But if you ignore this, don't complain later when your memory disappears. Your focus is gone, and you forget what it feels like to be truly alive. Bonus: this video is perfect for your English too. While you learn how to protect your brain, you will also improve your listening, understanding, and confidence in English. So you're training two things at once: your brain and your English. Are you ready? Let's begin. Let's rebuild your brain from the inside. Habit 1. Use your other hand. Start using the hand you normally don't use. It sounds too simple, right? But please don't laugh. This tiny habit is a secret weapon. Your brain is like a tree. Every time you do something new or difficult, the tree grows a new branch. But when you do the same things every day, the tree stops growing. Using your non-dominant hand for brushing teeth, eating, opening doors, or writing forces your brain to wake up. You're not just moving your hand, you're building brand new connections in your brain. You're keeping it flexible, fast, and young. Try it today. Eat dinner with your other hand. Write your name with the wrong hand. It will feel strange. You might spill food. You might get frustrated. Good. That uncomfortable feeling is your brain growing. People who do this regularly have better memory and slower brain aging. So start tonight. Fight laziness, because easy equals death for your brain. Habit 2, do one hard thing every day. Most people run away from anything difficult. They want life to be easy and comfortable. But here's the truth nobody wants to hear. Comfort kills your brain. Your brain only stays young when it has to struggle. So every single day, do at least one hard thing. Examples? Speak English even when you're scared. Wake up early when you want to stay in bed. Say no to junk food. Talk to a stranger. Exercise when you're tired. Study when your eyes want to close. Every time you push through discomfort, you give your brain a shock that says, "I'm still alive." There was a 44-year-old man who felt mentally old and tired. His doctor said, "You stopped doing hard things 10 years ago." He started small, 20-second cold showers, reading one difficult page, walking without his phone. After 30 days, he said, "My brain feels electric again." Your challenge right now: choose one hard thing for today and do it. Tomorrow, choose another, because comfort is poison in slow motion. Habit 3. Stay away from screens every day. Your phone is making your brain stupid. Yes, I said stupid. Every time you scroll, your brain jumps from one thing to the next. Jump, jump, jump. It never rests. It never thinks deeply. It gets weak and addicted. Most people today cannot sit alone in silence for even 5 minutes without touching their phone. That's not normal. That's brain damage. Start small. Every day, turn off all screens for at least 30 minutes. No phone, no music, no YouTube, nothing. Just sit, walk, or write. Let your brain breathe. Do this daily and watch your focus come back, your memory improve, and your mind become calm again. Habit 4. Sleep in total darkness and silence. Sleep is when your brain cleans itself, repairs memories, and gets stronger. But only if the sleep is deep, and deep sleep needs total darkness and silence. If any light, phone, TV, street light, reaches your eyes while you sleep, your brain stays half awake. Result: you wake up tired, foggy, and older than yesterday. Make your bedroom like a cave. Pitch black, use blackout curtains or an eye mask, completely silent, earplugs or white noise, phone outside the room. Same hours of sleep, but much higher quality equals a younger, sharper brain. Habit 5. Walk alone in nature without your phone. When was the last time you walked alone? No phone, no music, just you and the world. If you can't remember, your brain is trapped inside a scroon. Walking in nature without distractions lowers stress, improves memory, and brings back creativity and peace. Leave your phone at home. Walk slowly. Listen to the birds. Feel the wind. Watch the trees. Even 10 to 15 minutes a day can change everything. Your brain will thank you. Habit 6. Read something that challenges your beliefs. Don't just read things you already agree with. Read something that makes you uncomfortable. A book, an article, a different opinion. When your brain gets confused and has to think deeply, it grows stronger. Confusion equals growth. Comfort equals death. Choose one idea this week that you normally avoid and read about it. Your mind will feel younger and more alive. Habit 7. Try to remember before you check. Every time you forget something and immediately Google it, you make your brain lazier. Stop, pause, close your eyes. Fight to remember, even for 30 to 60 seconds. That struggle is exercise for your memory. The more you practice active recall, the sharper your brain becomes. Habit 8. Do something you're bad at. Your brain grows the most when you fail and keep trying. Learn to dance badly. Try drawing. Play an instrument. Speak in public. Cook a new recipe. Looking stupid on purpose is medicine for your brain. Stay bad at something new. That's how you stay young. Habit 9. Have deep conversations. Stop the empty small talk. Hi, how are you? Fine, thanks. Ask real questions. What scares you the most? What's something you've never told anyone? When was the last time you felt truly lost? Deep conversations wake up your brain and make you feel alive. Habit 10. Change your daily routine often. Same breakfast, same road, same music, same everything equals brain asleep. Break the loop. Brush teeth with the other hand. Eat breakfast on the floor. Take a different route. Wear a new color. Small changes surprise your brain and force it to stay awake and grow. Habit 11. Teach what you just learned. You don't really know something until you can explain it simply to someone else. After you learn anything new, even one sentence, teach it immediately to a friend, family member, or even yourself in the mirror. Teaching makes knowledge stick forever. Start tonight. Habit 12. Play strategy games, not mindless ones. Candy games and endless scrolling equal brain junk food. Play chess, Sudoku, word puzzles, memory games, games that hurt your head a little. That pain is your brain getting stronger. Habit 13. Try intermittent fasting, 12 to 16 hours. Skip food for 12 to 16 hours. For example, stop eating at 8 p.m. and eat again at 10 a.m. or noon. Your brain produces more BDNF, a natural growth hormone for your mind. You'll feel sharper, clearer, and more focused. Habit 14. Brain writing instead of brainstorming. When you need ideas, don't talk. Write in total silence for 7 to 10 minutes without stopping. The best ideas come after the easy ones are gone, when your brain has to dig deeper. Habit 15. Take cold showers. End your shower with 30 to 60 seconds of ice-cold water. The shock wakes up your entire nervous system and teaches your brain to handle discomfort. You'll feel unstoppable all day. Habit 16. Memorize one poem or song every week. Choose a short poem, quote, or song lyrics. Repeat it, write it, test yourself, no looking. Memorizing rebuilds your memory muscle and keeps your brain sharp for life. In 1 year, you'll carry 52 beautiful pieces inside your mind forever. These 16 habits are not comfortable. They are not always fun, but that's exactly why they work. Your brain only stays young outside your comfort zone. If you do nothing, it will slowly shut down while keeping you safe. But now, you have the weapons. Use them every day, not for likes, not for fun, for survival. Protect your brain. Nobody else will do it for you. If this video woke something up inside you, don't just watch and forget. Start today. Start right now. And if you want more life-changing content that helps you think better and live stronger, subscribe and turn on notifications. We're not here to entertain you. We're here to transform you. Let's build the strongest minds together. See you in the next video.